Hello guys, it's me again. In this video, I will show you how to clear cake on WeChat. Firstly, I need to mention that this setup working on this fiction, it is so easy to make it. Don't worry about it. We're gonna get it through so simple steps. Firstly, when you open up the application, you need to go on the last fiction right down, which is me. Then you need to go for settings, and right here you're gonna find out all these different options. You need to choose the option on the fifth place, which is general. Just go on it, then select the last selection right there, which is manage storage. And here, as you can see on the last setup, you have that clearing cake. And just go clear, and it says it takes some time to clear cake, please wait a moment. Go okay. Now as you can see, it has been done. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.